Hi everyone, in this video I am flying from London Heathrow to Dallas TFW airport to visit my family, traveling alone with Sulaiman. This is going to be a challenging flight for me since Prince is staying behind in England, so I will have to manage everything on my own. Traveling with kids is very different. It requires a lot of patience. Hi everyone. This video is especially about how to travel with a little toddler or kid. So I'm traveling to America with Sulaiman. It will be around 10 and a half and 11 hours flight. I'm going to show you what I have packed for Sulaiman for airport and flight. So how I have make his airport bag. It looks like big, but it's like normal backpack. I will show you what I have packed inside. It's not heavy, it's normal, but anyway, I have to carry it. So in front, I have packed few tissue papers, napkins, chewing gums for me, hand sanitizer and sun cream. Oh, so he's insisting for this hat. When you are in airport, kids usually get demanding. They want snacks and everything. They want to eat more than usual. For airport, I packed few crackers, some snacks. So Sulaiman is very particular for his sleep schedule. So I packed only one dress and one extra PJ, one wipes, of course chocolates. This is portable potty seat. I have used this in our Europe trip. This is this tiny size and it comes with this bag, and if you open it, it's like this. I love this portable seat. It's just 10 pounds from Amazon. So after use, I clean this with antibacterial wipes. Here we have storybook. This is reusable sticker book. You can see there are so many stickers. There are different scenes, so they can create and recreate the scenes. What else we got here? This is Sulaiman's favorite book. It comes with black marker with razor in front of it. They got numbers. I love this book. Okay, what we got here? This is water magic book. So I don't want to bring markers, colors and crayons on board because they can be messy. There are different pages and this water marker comes with it, and it says that it's used and over again. Okay, so this is like activity board. It got different kinds of belts, shoe tie race and buttons and sticky alphabets. You can see zips, everything, so they can be distracted and they can busy. I will also pack his iPad, and I have downloaded one color app, one ABCD some app in 10-hour flight. Kid can't be watch TV or movies all the time. I think these things are very informative and very healthy for their development. Well, this is how I planned for a flight, and I hope Sulaiman will stay busy and we will have smooth flight. We will see you in airport. Hi everyone, so we are at Heathrow airport. We have passed from security and immigration and everything. Oh gosh, I hate that part. Sulaiman really cooperates with me. It was a bit difficult because I'm carrying two backpacks, so it was difficult to manage these things. So we still have 1 hour to pass. We don't know our gate. We are just roaming around. We have nice time. So it's 11 hours flight, and I hope so it will go smooth. Finger crossed. Oh wow, see what is in front of you. I think Heathrow Airport is the biggest airport in UK. We have been to Heathrow many times before, but this is the first time I'm visiting this shop because we got time and Sulaiman is out of control and I think we need to leave the shop.
Take a picture of me.
So we are having round 2 of snacks. What you are eating?
Salad.
So we found out our gate after 1 hour. Okay, so now we are going towards our gate. You saw so many planes?
I
waiting for departure. I bought so many things for Sulaiman, but he's very excited for the screen in front of him.
Let the pilot go.
We are just waiting for taking off.
I'm going to jumpers tomorrow.
Okay.
Now, and use the elastic band over your head. Then pull the straps to tighten.
And then take off.
Yeah, so we are waiting for taking off,
Oh, where
and
are the dogs?
Sulaiman asked me like million times when we are going to take off.
Dog.
So our flight is 45 minutes late. So we are having some peaceful time. He's busy watching Minions, and I'm watching Harry Potter.
Mama,
Yes.
I like to watch nothing.
Okay. See?
Why do you have minions? Oh, why you have it all? Why is it off?
Salman is bored with the screen in front of him. He keeps changing cartoons and everything. Now I gave him this water magic color book. Let's see. We need water for water magic colors. We are trying for reusable stickers.
Where'd the cat go? This is the piece. I don't know.
Salman got his food. When you have special needs, you will serve food before the others. So we got chicken rice with chocolate biscuits and butter and bread. I got some banana and ginger cake, and Sulaiman got brownie and salad, water. To be honest, the rice are very good. So when you order special meal like a Muslim meal or diabetes or any other, they have different categories. So you will serve before than others. So Sulaiman is busy with water magic colors. It seems very peaceful, but it was not like that. There are many challenging moments I didn't record. He flipped the rice dish, and luckily rice were not all over the place. They were just on the tray. Then after 10 minutes later, he threw up. He had big vomit. We had quite a rough time, and it was not easy. So we just had food. After that, they collect our dishes. So I gave him water magic colors. He seems enjoying it, but it's difficult. It's not smooth.
Mama, I like it. Ow! It's smooth. Ow.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Don't you think you are over coloring it? So basically these colors are mess free, but they are like very wet, and he is using lots of water. So this is the second time we filled the water marker. So basically after every 2 or 3 pages you need to keep filling the water marker. So Sulaiman has been busy with water magic color book almost for last 45 minutes, and in our case this is absolute winner. Although I need to refill the water marker again and again, but I love it.
I have it.
So you can see in 45 minutes he has finished all the book, and he is doing the first page again.
I like to do it.
When it gets dry, it will be white again, and I think he will keep doing it till he get bored. So he loves it, and I'm so happy he's busy. I think this is the best purchase for this trip. £6, just £6 from Amazon,
Mama,
and it's worth every penny. We still have 6 hours 7 minutes to go.
And we don't know about it. It's very fun.
I really hope Sulaiman will take at least 2 to 3 hours nap, because he is very particular for his sleeping routine. In England, he goes to bed around 8 o'clock, and I don't want him to sleep throughout the flight. I think he should sleep properly at night. If he will sleep here all the time for 5-6 hours, I will have difficult night. So how about you sing? How about you sing the song? Wind the bobbin up.
Wanna packet it, wanna packet it. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. To the seat, put to the windows, put to the seats, put to the iPads, put to the buttons, put to the books, put to the bags.
So Suleiman is awake and he took 3 hours nap. He's not happy. He wants to sleep more. He's watching Kung Fu Panda movie. And I tried that he eat ice cream, but he's not in mood. The good thing is he took 3 hours nap and I watched full Harry Potter movie, which is great. See what he's doing? Oh no. These all are baddies, okay? Only 40 minutes left. We survived the flight. When he wake up from nap, it was 2.5 hours left, but we were watching Kung Fu Panda movie together. He was asking so many questions, so we were discussing the movie, so time has passed. We got snacks. So this is vegetable chickpea curry flavor.
I just using my hair cutter so I can be like messy on my hair.
Yes, we had ice cream, we had snacks on and off, drinks on and off. We had good experience with American Airlines. Are you excited to see Nano?
Yes.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
You play.
Yes.
What was it?
Okay, so our stroller is here. So we are in Dallas and we have passed the custom and now we are going towards back claim. I don't know how I will carry a stroller and 2 big luggage bags with 2 backpacks. I'm really missing Prince, but we will see. We have to do it. And these are our bags. So now I need to push trolley and stroller together. It's not possible for me to push stroller and trolley. It's at the same time, so this is the only solution. It's time to say goodbye. We will go outside and see our family. How about Salman? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye everyone. See you next time.